we have Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup, because it also begins with a B.
What's yours, Buttercup? Be not violent or angry. Peace lies within. What a stupid fortune. It wasn't even funny.
I'm back in another video, and today we are going to continue the Powerpuff Girl series that I'm doing on my channel. And this is, of course, the last Powerpuff Girl, Buttercup. And we will be beating our face today. And yeah, I thought that was gonna be more complicated to say, but you know, I see now that I just be overthinking things. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all of this, and check out my other videos on Blossom and Bubbles. That's it, that's all, and we're gonna get right into the video. Hey loves, if you know by now, you know that I always prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is a color corrector. It is in flat white. I apply it to my eye and then I blend it out with a brush or my finger. Today I'm using my finger. I like using my finger because it just blends things out better and it gives that like warm, even finish. So you can use your finger or a brush. And then I'm going to my BeautyTreats 88 palette, tapping into that really dark green, and I'm building it up in the corner of my eye, doing circular motions and just basically doing a little circle on the corner of my eye. So you're just going to continue to add color and blend it in. And then I'm going to this lighter green from my Glitz Cosmetics palette, and I'm slowly blending out the edges of this dark green. Next, I'm going into my Take Me to Brazil palette and tapping into those two really light greens and blending out that other green that I used that was a little lighter than the dark green. And then I'm going to bring it into my crease area and begin blending. So you want to continue to blend out that above crease area and also continue to blend the green into the light green. And I started to pat and also do windshield wiper motions to get that color. And then I went back in with the dark green and I began blending that dark green into my crease area, as you can see. So you're just dragging it back and forth like windshield wiper motions and blending it. You can see my main focus is still that circular area at the corner of my eye. You want to continue to blend that out into the light green, and then go back in with your light green and make sure that you blend everything together. So you're just blending and adding more colors in. I went back into my Take Me to Brazil palette and I tap into that black shade to blend the black into that dark green. So make sure that you're not taking it too far up to the point where it's in the light green. You want to stay within that dark green area. And as you continue to build up that black in the corner, you want to focus mainly on the end part, but you do want to bring the black a little bit into the crease, not too far up. As you can see, I took it about halfway through and then I stopped. So you want to drag it into the crease just a little bit. Once you're satisfied with the way it looks, you can go in with the dark green again and blend out the edges of the black just to make everything look nice, blended and seamless. So that's what I'm doing here, just blending everything out. And now I'm going to cut my crease using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in flat white. I am going to cut my crease. If you don't know how to cut your crease or have trouble cutting your crease, always put a little bit on your lid, not too far up, not too high, and then look up so you know where you need to cut your line. If you'd like me to do a mini video on that for my channel, I can definitely do that for you guys. So if you want that, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, or you can comment below in the comment section, because that will be very helpful for me if you comment. But also liking the video, I'll do it, you know what I mean? I feel y'all. Once your crease is cut, you're gonna go in with this Myo pigment. Now you can just use any white pigment, but I wanted to use this Myomakeup pigment because it has this little shimmer to it and it's very pigmented. So I went in with that, and I went majority of the way using that, and then I went in with the Myomakeup green pigment. It's actually neon green pigment, and I put that on the corner of the white pigment, filling out the rest of that section. I packed it on. You want to make sure that you blend it down because it can get a little messy. And then I attempted to go in with the dark green, blend things out. but it really didn't do much. So then I went into with the black, and that's where I began to build up that black, because the green kind of minimized it and we want that black to really show. And so yeah, I did that, and I blended it into the green to give this nice ombre effect, and it was nice and popping, as you can see. And then I went back in with the white to blend out the green and the white. And then I feel like I'm saying "and then" too much. But anyway, we're going in with the e.l.f. black liner, and we're just going to line our lash line for our lashes. Now I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, and I took my time doing this because I really want my brow bone. I really like my brow bone to shine and stand out, especially when I'm doing bold looks like this. And then I used that really light green from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I just blended out my highlight and the edges of my eyeshadow with it, so it just looks nice and popping and blended. And then I'm going in with the NYX glitter primer and this green glitter from Amazon. I got like 36, I believe, for a couple of dollars, maybe $4 or $5. They're popping. I put you on like years ago in one of my videos, so if you saw that video, then you already know about these glitters. But other than that, yep, I'm applying this glitter onto the NYX glitter primer and right above that liner that I did, and we're gonna move on to this face. So I'm moisturizing with my Nivea Enrich moisturizer, putting that all over my face, going in with my Revlon Prime Plus primer, and then I'm going to move on after I blend that all over my face. And as always, we're going to set that in with our Airspun translucent powder, or whatever powder you use to set your makeup. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that, and then I'm going to go in with my Fit Me Maybelline foundation, and the shade will be on the screen. I always use this, so y'all should probably know this by now. But yes, I just blend that in with this brush, and I just love how this applied. It just applied so smoothly, and it just looks like skin. And I'm like, I just need to buy like 50 of these foundations and keep them, because sis, this, like, you see the difference? Like, come on now. Like, that is too cute. And then we'll be using these 3 concealers from LA Girl Pro Concealer: Beautiful Bronze, Toffee, and Truffle. First, I'm going to use Beautiful Bronze, and Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to apply that under my eye, and also clean up under my eyeshadow a little bit. Make sure you do your nose, your forehead area, chin, cupid's bow, and under your contour. I'm just applying a little bit in all of those areas. Bam. And then we'll be going in with Toffee, and I've applied a lot of Toffee by accident. I was not trying to apply this much, but I applied a lot under the eyes, and I think I applied a little bit on my cupid's bow, and that's about it, because Toffee is a really bold concealer, so I use it when I do bold looks. And then I'm going to contour using Truffle, putting 4 dots on my head, my nose, my contour, and under my under whatever, that chin area. And then I'm going to use a brush to blend it. I really love using a brush over a beauty blender now, and the thing is, I just like using a beauty blender because it's much faster. But yes, this brush had my contour and everything snatched. Like, what bags, that's what it was giving me. It was giving me what bags. So yeah, I just took my time and blended all of this out. And yeah, I really pushed the concealer into my skin and made sure that them bags didn't appear. They don't exist. They don't exist. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying right now, but yeah, just blending this stuff out. This brush is really small. I have a bigger one, but the thing is, I didn't feel like grabbing it, so we just gonna use this tiny one. But it works, so hey. And after we blend all that out, I went in with a brush to blend out my contour. And like, I just love watching me blend out my contour. I don't know if that's weird. Does anyone enjoy contour? I feel like contouring and like brow highlights are like my favorite favorite part of the process, and I don't know why. It's just really soothing to watch. Like, I would just watch someone blend their contour and put on brow highlight, and I'll be completely fine. And then we're gonna blend out our nose and take that contour into the brows to give us that nice chiseled nose contour, cause sis, popping. And then I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm going to pat in my Airspun translucent powder to set in my concealer. Once you're done setting all your concealed areas, you want to go in with a foundation powder or something and dust away that powder. It doesn't sit there for long. I do not bake. I use the sculpting shade out of the Black Radiance contour highlight palette to do this, and then I went in and also set my contour using the dark shade in that same palette. And now I'm putting blush from my e.l.f. blush palette. I use this in almost every video, so it's not new. And we're gonna highlight using the same highlight from my eyebrow highlight, and that is the Candy Craze highlight. And now we're gonna use this Revlon Precise liner, and I've been using this non-stop. Like, I just can't stop using it, and when it's done, I'm gonna go and buy like 50, because this one, like, is the one liner that I don't feel is gonna poke me in the eye, and it's just amazing. And then of course we're gonna do each step in reverse. So this is the darker shade, and then that is the lighter shade of green, and we're gonna apply both of them under our eyes. And then we're gonna apply that same white Myomakeup pigment in our inner corner, and ba-bam. Add a little glitter to our lower lash line to really just make everything pop, and apply our brown lip liner to our lips. Fun fact, I actually used this brown lip liner to do my brows today. So these brows I have on right now were done by that exact lip liner. And I just think that's crazy, because like, I can really do this for real. I need a pat on the back. And then we'll be using my NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee, and we'll be applying a hella lot of that onto our lips. And then we're gonna spray our face using the Airspun Translucent, Mario Badescu. I'm all over the place, and we're just gonna pat that in, and ba-bam, we popping.
So, Buttercup, what do you enjoy most about being a Powerpuff Girl?
I get to use my fists a lot.
Any villains in particular you like using them on?
Oh, well, there's Mojo Jojo, love punching that chump. And the Green Gang are always hungry for knuckle sandwiches.
You're known as the tough one. But what about your sensitive side?
What about it?
Nothing.
That was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you put that notification bell on so you don't miss out on all of this. Let's get to 1K loves, because you know it's lit and it's popping on my channel. I got the looks, I got the cooking, I got the hair, I got everything for you guys. So come on, join the team, and let's spread love. Make sure you check out my other Powerpuff Girls videos. I did Bubbles, Blossom, and here's Buttercup. So if you want to see those, they will be right here on the screen. And that's it for this video. Remember to always be beautiful and love yourself.